Hello crafters, let's make some Lunar New Year lantern earrings on Sophia the Hobbit Crafter. Alright, for supplies, we're going to need this little silicone mat, a mold for these earrings, some tools. You're going to need a paintbrush if you don't need these scissors, a heat gun, some UV resin, some red alcohol ink, some gold mica powder, a variety of glitters. Today I'm going to be using red, and some silicone cups. Can't forget my gloves. Alright, we're going to start with putting some glitter into a little cup. That's too much glitter, and add some resin to it. And then we're going to stir it all up. I like to use a heat gun to erase all those bubbles I just made. I'm going to pour it into the mold, and then I'm going to hit it with a heat gun and some UV light, and then demold it. Yes, this is going to be beautiful. I'm going to use this little silicone tray to work, mix up some gold mica powder with resin, and then I'm going to use kind of the corners of the square mold to give me the tops and the bottoms of the lantern. I tried about 5 different ways of making these earrings, and this was the most successful one. I'm going to use these little gold pieces I made for the tops and the bottom of the lantern. Once I'm happy with their placement, I'll go ahead and use UV resin to make them permanent. Alright, I'm going to use that clear UV resin, and I'm going to paint it onto my little lanterns, and then I'm going to put the gold pieces where they fit. And hit it with UV. To fill in some of those gaps, I'm going to use that gold mica powder resin and kind of paint it in between the cracks. This will also probably help the little gold pieces stay on the red. I really like these little firecracker nail stickers I got from my Lunar New Year nail set. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on, and then I'm going to cover them with some UV resin. Alright, this is what we've got so far. I think they look super cute considering we've made them from scratch. I'm going to add my studs, and voila! Beautiful Lunar New Year lanterns made from scratch. I'm pretty proud of these because I feel like I'm kind of sculpting the resin. And we're done. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.